every day we are making different kind of decisions for different situations. So today I'm going to show one of the method. uh, by using this method, you can decide a very very good decisions. uh, it, it can be used in any situations, so whether you have some attribute or and some alternatives. So suppose we have four cars and you want to buy one of them, and you have to figure out which car is more feasible from there. So in order to buy a car, which attributes you want to consider? We so we firstly consider the price, then fuel efficiency, then comfort, then look. Uh, if you are notice that if we can notice here is the sum that comfort is in linguistic way, which is good, excellent, and average, and so on. And we have to convert this linguistic way in a quantitative way. So in order to do that, we use a standard method, standard, where average is 1. We put average is 1, good is 2, and very good is 3, and so on. After that, after giving this value to the linguistic linguistic properties, we get this. And then we have to figure out, by the way, this method is called TOPSIS, one of the uh, most most used multi-criteria decision making methods. So after that, we have to give the weight. Which weight means which criteria, which attribute is more valuable or more significant to you. Suppose I am considering the price is the uh, most uh, um, most significant here, in order to buy a car. Then fuel consumption, then after the comfort and the looks. One thing you have to notice that you have to put in one more thing that uh, to these attributes, that whether if price increasing price is good, then you have to put benefit, and increasing attribute is bad, then you have to put cost. So we have to minimize the price of the car, so that's why we put cost. We have to we have to we, wa- we want some cars that is more beneficiaries and more fully efficient. That's why we want to buy a car which is more full efficiency. So that's why we put benefit. Then comfort, we have to increase, we want to maximize it also. Look also, when want to maximize it. After putting this, then first step will be done by, and the first step is called normalizing. So what does it mean? What does it mean, the normalizing? First, we have to sum all the values, total values. As you can see in the formula formula sections, we sum all the, okay, all the values here, and then we have to square root this total values. After that, the weight of the attributes. And this is the second steps. So here uh, we divide every number, every single number with these square root numbers. Suppose you have a price, and we divide this with the square root, the column of the square root values of the price, and so on. After that, after this, the this is mistaken. Third step is also already done here. We have given this weighted values, and also the fourth step is also given here, the cost and benefit. So for third and fourth step it has done. After that, the fifth step, the category of attributes, where if there is a cost, we have to ideal best solution would be the would be the minimum of these of all the values. So we have to figure out if there is a cost, then the ideal best would be the less values. If there is a benefit, then the ideal best solution is the highest values of those numbers. So how do we get these numbers? So we again divide this every values from the previous tables with the weight. So sorry, I have mistaken. We multiply these two numbers from the weighted number and also the main numbers. After getting ideal best and the ideal worst, then we move to the second steps, which is the calculation the sum of the S1 and S2, or where we sum all the values here. And how can we get these values? Uh, we 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 subtract from the this number with this number, and then we square root this we square it, and every number also I have done in this way. After that, we sum all the numbers from row wise, and then we square root this sum number. This is for the ideal best. Then we move to the second, the ideal worst, and also we have to subtract from the every numbers from the ideal worst and put it in the cells. As you can see, every number is given here is the same way as before. Just changes here is in order to we put ideal best instead of ideal worst instead of ideal best. After getting all the values, we again do the same procedure. We sum all the numbers here and then square root these numbers, and we have these numbers, which is called S plus and S minus. So we put all these S1 and S plus and S minus numbers here. Then we multiply, we sum it, and then CI, closest values with the feasible solutions. So then what I've done here is we divide the S1 S minus cells with some values. Then we get CI, the closest feasible solution. So from there we ranked here. So there is a wonderful formula in the Excel. They're called rank, where we can get the whole numbers set, and then we get the ranking, putting this whole number cell and whole sections, and we can get the rank. So we can clearly see the card 3 is ranked 1. So the feasible solution is card 3. So in order to if we considering we want to buy a feasible soluted car and the most efficient car, then we have to buy the third one. This is the way how the TOPSIS is conducted. And uh, suppose you want to buy mobile phones, then this way is so much efficient. And TOPSIS is one of the used methods in multiple areas. Is used in engineering, economics, and so on, many other things. However, we cover all the things about TOPSIS. I hope you can apply it by using Excel. Excel is more convenient, and hopefully I will show the way where we can put TOPSIS, analyze TOPSIS with the help of the Pythons. Thank you.